Hey guys, this is how to fix Amazon Music app not working. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss three solutions. And for Apple users, I will show step-by-step guide on the left side of the screen. So first thing that you will do is simply go to the Google Play Store and go to the search bar at the bottom. Go for the top at the search and search for the application Amazon Music. And after that, guys, just simply tap on the application. And when there is an update, you should be able to update it over here. And from there, you should be able to fix the issue. And now, another option is just simply tap on the three dots on the top right and make sure to enable the auto update. Now, second solution is just simply go to the settings. And now, from here, just simply scroll down and go for the apps. And after that, just simply try to find the Amazon Music over here. And now, after that, just simply go ahead and tap on the Amazon Music. And from here, just simply tap on storage and tap on clear cache. And from there, you should be able to fix it if you run the application. And if it doesn't, just simply go back over here and tap on clear data and tap on OK. And from there, you should be able to fix the issue. And now, if it still doesn't, guys, the last solution that you have is just simply go back to the home page and hold the application and tap on uninstall and tap on OK. And from there, just simply go back to the Google Play Store, guys, and just simply install the application again. And from there, you should be able to fix it. And there you go. If you have any question, just simply comment down below and I will try my best to answer it, guys. See ya.